Hi guys, today I am going to be giving y'all a tour of my farm. And yeah, 1 second. Sorry, hold on. These just in case. And we're gonna check on my goat that went into labor last night. Into the first part of her labor. And so I gotta go check on her. And I'm gonna show you the rest of my animals, okay? I just got out of the shower. That's why my hair's wet. So I'm gonna turn the lights off and then come back. And now we're gonna go. I live in a trailer house because I live on a farm. Last night there was a storm, but it gets pretty hot here. The ground might be a little bit wet. Here's our goats in the front pen. There are babies. A couple goats died, but that's okay. There's one of our puppies. There's the other two. We have 3 puppies total. We got border collies, but one of them bit, so we had to give them away. And the other one bites too. They both bit. So let's go check out our rabbits. So the rabbits are. This is my little boy, Snowball. He's a white albino rabbit. And then this is Blossom, my mom's rabbit. She is very skittish. And this looks just like mine. His name's Cotton, my grandma's rabbit. And this is my grandma's rabbit. We're just taking care of her. Cotton and Cookie. Her name's Cookie. My white albino rabbit, Snowball, is the dad. She's pregnant. Cookie is. So she's gonna have babies anytime soon. Then we have our chickens here in our barn. The guineas are the ones over there, the tall ones. Let's go see our big, huge rooster. There he is, the big yellow one, if y'all could see. Okay, and now we're gonna go check out our big goats. Some of them are in the front pen, but I gotta go into the pen to see the rest. See? Some of them have names, but some of them don't. So I gotta get over this fence real quick. Okay, I got over the fence. The sun is kind of bright. Those 3 don't have names over there. This big one over here has a name. Her name is Shy Shy because she's really shy. That one's Nakona. That one, I don't know its name. This one is my baby Oreo. He's my baby. He loves getting attention and loving. Oh gosh, come here. Show your face, boy. Okay. Gosh, Oreo. But this one's name Spot. That one's name is Patch. This is Princess. She's pregnant, but she's not close to having her babies. And this is Caramel. She's pregnant too. Meh. Here's Deary over here in Galaxy. That's Galaxy, the black and white one. She's pregnant too. And we have Deary, that one by Galaxy. And there's Wild Thing. And all the other ones we have not named yet. Except for this little guy, Fluffy. Oh, and this girl, Longhorns. And now we're going to go check on Big Mama. Her name's Lily. Oh. She's in a separate pen because we keep her in a separate pen because we were afraid she was going to go in labor with all these big goats, and we didn't want her to have her babies out here because the other animals, goats, would hurt it. Here's Vanilla. She's running. Okay. So yeah, that's why we put her in a different pen. Okay, I got back over the fence and, ooh, here's Callie. Another one of our cats. Callie, come here. She loves people. And we're gonna go see Spoonfuls. I see Spoonfuls. It's my brother's cat. He's a black cat. He got declawed. He's one of our inside cats, but he likes coming outside a lot. He just can't come outside at nighttime. Okay. He seems to want in. So after I'm done showing all around, I'm going to let him in. Okay, the other way. Sorry. Yeah. This way. We hooked a fence up to a trailer, and the trailer's her shelter. Then she can run outside with the fence. So. Okay, so I'm going to get in the trailer. Okay, so we got the trailer door open. She's good. She hasn't had her babies yet. That's her. So, she's okay. I'm going to close this. I'm guessing Spoonfuls don't want inside anymore because he just went in the trailer with Big Mama. So now I'm guessing that I'm gonna go show inside cats because, in Lipcris. I would show my cousins because we also own that house down there. Just my stepdad who bought this place, he decided to give it to our cousin instead of my real dad. So he can live here with us and get a job. But he does have a job. He works for the city of Sayre, and he lives in Sayre with my dog, Lucy. She had to go there because she would try to attack the chickens, but nothing else. So, yeah, that's why we had to get rid of her. We didn't get rid of her because I love her. We just, put her at my dad's house. It's weird. Light. So, yeah. And I just love animals, so anybody that loves animals, please watch this video. And like, subscribe. Because animals are like your best friends. I just love them. Okay, I'm going to go get my cat, Whipsy, inside cat. And then Coconut, but Spooples wanted to stay outside. Okay, I couldn't find any of the inside cats. Except for Spooples, he was outside. So the other ones are probably outside playing too. But I don't want to go back outside because I'm pretty hot. Because it's hot outside. It's pretty hot out there and I'm wearing jeans. So I kind of don't want to go back outside right now. But if you love animals, please like, subscribe, and put it in the comments or something that you love animals. And if you love Jesus, like and subscribe, because yeah, I love Jesus and animals. Animals are your best friends. Thank you for watching.